GeoByte.
Welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, let us discuss the answers for previous questions which were given in different competitive exams. These are all the questions I collected for the topic Science and Technology. Since all these problems were already asked in different exams, you can treat each and every problem is equally important. Therefore, my request is you please watch till the end of this video. Dear friends, in the competitive exams, there is a possibility to repeat the same question in other exams. Therefore, you please try to focus while we are discussing the answers for the questions. Let us take the very first one. Look at the first one asked for UPPSC in the year 2016 like this. The substance used as moderator and coolant both in nuclear reactor are option A ordinary water, option B heavy water, option C liquid ammonia, option D liquid hydrogen. The correct answer is heavy water is used as a moderator and coolant for the nuclear reactors. Therefore, option B is absolutely correct. Now, let us move to the second question. Look at the second one. Asked in the year 2003 for IAS exam, which one of the following statements is correct? Option A liquid sodium is employed as a coolant in nuclear reactors. Absolutely correct. The liquid sodium can be used as a coolant for the nuclear reactors. Therefore, option A itself is absolutely correct. Now, let us move to the third one. Look at the third one. Asked in the year 1995 for the IAS exam like this. Cryogenic engines find applications in option A submarine propulsion, option B frost free refrigerators, option C rocket technology, option D researches in superconductivity. Dear friends, the cryogenic engines you can find in the applications of rocket motors or rocket technology. Therefore, option C is absolutely correct. Now, let us move to the fourth one. Look at the fourth one. Asked in the year 1991 for IAS exam like this. Superconductors are so called because they option A efficiently conduct heat from one hot body to another. Option B offer no resistance to conduction of heat at high temperatures. Option C offer no resistance to conduction of electricity at low temperatures. Option D produce high temperature while conducting electricity. The correct answer is option C offer no resistance to conduction of electricity at low temperatures. This problem is connected to superconductors. Now let us move to the fifth one. Look at the fifth one. Asked in the year 1993 for IAS exam like this. Which one of the following is used dating archaeological specimen in wood, bones and shells? Option A uranium 238, option B argon isotope, option C carbon 14, option D strontium. The correct answer is option C carbon 14. Carbon 14 is used in the archaeological specimens in wood, bones, and shells. Now let us move to the sixth one. Look at the sixth question asked in the year 2007 for IAS exam like this. India is an important member of the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor. If this experiment succeeds, what is the immediate advantage for India? The immediate advantage for India is, my dear friends, we can build nuclear reactors, fission type nuclear reactors for electrical power generation. Therefore, option D, look at the option D is absolutely correct. Now, let us move to the seventh one. Look at the seventh question asked in the year 1998 for IAS exam like this. The Indian Air Force has MiG planes. The most advanced version of MiG at present is called option A MiG 25, option B MiG 27, option C MiG 29, option D MiG 31. The correct answer is option C MiG 29. Now let us move to the eighth one. Look at the eighth question asked in the year 1995 for IAS exam. Look at the questions. Most of the questions from IAS. The difference between a nuclear reactor and an atomic bomb is that option A, no chain reaction takes place in nuclear reactor, while in the atomic bomb there is a chain reaction. Option B, the chain reaction in nuclear reactor is controlled. Option C, the chain reaction in nuclear reactor is not controlled. Option D, no chain reaction takes place in atomic bomb while it takes place in the nuclear reactor. The correct answer is option B, the chain reaction takes place in the nuclear reactor. The chain reaction is causing for developing large amount of heat energy. That heat energy produced in the nuclear reactor is for producing the water vapor. That water vapor is driving the turbine if that reactor is connected to nuclear power plants. Anyhow, option B is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the ninth one. Look at the ninth one asked in the year 2001 for IAS exam. A radioactive substance has a half-life of 4 months. 3/4 of the substance would decay in option A 3 months, option B 4 months, option C 8 months, option D 12 months. The correct answer is option C 8 months. Now the 10th problem is, look at the 10th one. Radiocarbon dating process is used to know the age of option A fossils, option B plants, option C rocks, option D all of these. The correct answer is option A fossils. Now let us move to the 11th question. Look at the 11th question asked in the year 2019 for MPPSC exam like this. Which one of the following statements about Nuclear Suppliers Group NSG group is not correct? You are asked to decide the incorrect statement. Option A, initially the NSG had 7 participating governments. Yes, absolutely true, but that is not our option because you are asked to decide incorrect statement. Option B, as of 2018, the NSG has 51 participating governments. Option B is not correct. Therefore, this is our actually this option or this statement is not correct. Since you are asked to decide the incorrect statement, option B is absolutely correct. Look at the 13th one, asked in the year 1988 for IAS exam like this. The newly discovered high temperature superconductors are option A metal alloys, option B pure rare earth metals, option C ceramic oxides, option D inorganic polymers. The correct answer is option C ceramic oxides. Now the 14th one is, look at the 14th question, also asked for IAS in the year 2007. Consider the following statements. In the year 2006, India successfully tested a full-fledged cryogenic stage in rocketry. Absolutely correct. The first statement is correct. Second statement, after USA, Russia and China, India is the only country to have acquired the capability for the use of cryogenic stays in rocketry. No, the second statement is not correct. Therefore, option A is absolutely correct. Only first statement is correct. Dear friends, remember United States, Russia, Japan, India, France, and China are the only countries that have operational cryogenic rocket motors or rocket engines. In the second statement, China and France are missing. That is the reason second statement is not correct. I hope all of you clearly got my point. Now let us move to the 15th one. Look at the 15th one, asked in the year 1999 for the IAS exam like this. Low temperatures, that is cryogenics, find applications in space travel, surgery, and magnetic levitation. Absolutely correct. The cryogenic system is used in space travel, surgery, and magnetic levitation. Therefore, option A is absolutely correct. The 16th one is, look at the 16th one, asked in the year 2008 for IAS exam. Consider the following statements. The nuclear suppliers group has 24 countries as the members, not 24, 48 countries. First statement is not correct. Second statement, India is a member of the nuclear suppliers group. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? No, the second statement is not correct. India is not a member of the nuclear suppliers group, that is NSG group. Only the neither one. First statement is not correct, second statement is not correct. Therefore, option D, neither one nor two. Option D is absolutely correct. Now let us take the 17th one. Look at the 17th one, asked in the year 2011 for IAS exam like this. Which one of the following is not radioactive? Astatine, francium, tritium, zirconium. The correct answer is zirconium is not a radioactive material. Therefore, option D is absolutely correct. Look at the 18th one, asked in the year 2018 for BPSC exam. India has signed a tri-party MOU with which countries civil nuclear cooperation? Option A, USA and Nepal. Option B, Japan and Myanmar. Option C, Russia and Bangladesh. Option D, Germany and Sri Lanka. Option E, none of the above. Dear friends, the correct answer is option C, Russia and Bangladesh. Now the 19th one is, look at the 19th question asked in the year 2018 for BPSC like this. Which of the following teams has won the Newton Bhabha Fund for the project on groundwater atomic research in Ganga River Basin? Option A, India Russia joint team. Option B, India UK joint team. Option C, India Japan joint team. Option D, India Israel joint team. Option E, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, India UK joint team. Now let us go for the last question. Look at the last one asked in the year 2018 for IAS exam like this. In the Indian context, what is the implication of ratifying the additional protocol with the International Atomic Energy Agency IAEA? Option A, the civilian nuclear reactors come under IAEA safeguards. Option B, the military nuclear installations come under the inspection of IAEA. Option C, the country will have the privilege to buy uranium from the Nuclear Suppliers Group NSG. Option D, the country becomes a member of the NSG. The correct answer is option A, the civilian nuclear reactors come under IAEA safeguards. I hope you got my point. Dear friends, with this, I am concluding this video. Thank you very much for watching till the end. Have a great day. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Once again, thank you very much.
GeoByte.